Today we discuss a potential Galaxy Z Flip FE model that Samsung is rumored to be releasing in 2025. This cheaper version of the Galaxy Z Flip would be aimed at a wider audience and would likely feature less impressive specs than the flagship model, including a less powerful processor, smaller storage capacity, and a less advanced camera system. Samsung's decision to explore a cheaper foldable option comes amidst reports of lower than expected sales for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, and is likely driven by a desire to increase the accessibility and reach of foldable phones. We also discussed the potential of Samsung changing the way that they update their phones. That's right, folks. Samsung looks as if they are going to dabble in the world of seamless updating, but there is a catch to it as well we will talk about. So, for Taylor Bell, my name is Colin, and I'll be your guest host today while Mr. Bell gets some rest today. Sure nice to have fake Colin in whenever you need him, free of charge too. Oh boy! Anyways, let's get into the details of these Samsung stories. The kind of sourcing for this type of information is insane. Our source highlights the potential changes coming to Samsung's mobile lineup, focusing on expanding the foldable market and improving the update experience. A cheaper foldable will boost sales, that is just a fact. Samsung could release a Galaxy Z Flip FE next year, reports on rumors that Samsung is planning to launch a Galaxy Z Flip FE in 2025. This model would be a more affordable version of the popular Z Flip, potentially matching the Motorola Razr $2,024 $699 price tag. This move is seen as a response to slowing sales of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. Samsung reportedly revised sales forecasts for these models downwards and is now exploring ways to lower entry barriers for foldable devices. Our source speculates that the Z Flip FE might feature an older flagship or mid-range processor, 128 gigabytes, base storage instead of 256 gigabytes, less ROM, probably 8 instead of 12, and a less advanced camera setup. Samsung acknowledges the need for a more accessible foldable option, stating in its Q3 2024 earnings call, "We are considering ways to lower entry barriers so that more customers can actually experience foldable products, given the high satisfaction among existing foldable users." Now, the S25 series could see modernizing updates with seamless technology. The source claims the Galaxy S25 series could finally offer seamless updates, reveals that Samsung is likely to implement seamless updates in its upcoming Galaxy S25 series. This feature, already available on some Android devices, and even the Galaxy S25, allows updates to be downloaded and installed in the background without disrupting the user experience. Currently, most Samsung phones utilize the older, more intrusive update process that requires a lengthy restart and installation. The inclusion of seamless updates would make the process faster and less disruptive for users, aligning the Galaxy S series with other flagship Android devices. Samsung appears to be addressing two key areas for improvement: affordability of foldables and the update experience. The introduction of a Galaxy Z Flip FE and seamless updates in the Galaxy S25 series would represent significant steps forward for Samsung's mobile division. These changes may be crucial for Samsung to maintain its competitive edge in the evolving smartphone market.